Hey there, fellow truckers. Today, let's talk about something that can put more money back in your pocket. Tax deductions for owner-operators. I know taxes aren't the most exciting topic, but trust me, understanding this stuff can save you thousands of dollars each year. Let's start with the basics. As an owner-operator or independent driver, you're essentially running your own business, which means you've got a whole range of tax deductions available to you. The IRS allows you to deduct any expense that's ordinary and necessary for your business. Now let's dive into the common deductions that most drivers claim. First up is your truck expenses. We're talking fuel costs, maintenance, repairs, insurance, and lease payments if you're leasing. These are usually your biggest deductions. Then there's your per diem expenses for meals and incidentals while you're on the road. This one's huge because you don't need receipts for everything. But here's where it gets interesting. There are so many deductions that drivers often miss. Did you know you can deduct your work clothes and laundry expenses? Those steel-toed boots, work gloves, and uniforms, they're all deductible. How about your cell phone bill? If you use it for work, you can deduct a portion of that too. Even your truck washing expenses and parking fees are deductible. Here's another one that surprises many drivers. You can deduct the cost of your medical exams, drug tests, and licensing fees. And if you're paying for load boards or dispatch services, those are deductible too. Even your truck stop shower fees can be written off. Now let me share a personal tip that saved me countless headaches. Develop good record-keeping habits. I know it's tempting to throw all your receipts in a shoebox and deal with them later, but trust me, that's a recipe for disaster. I learned this the hard way my first year when I missed out on thousands in deductions because I couldn't find my receipts. Here's what I do now. I use a simple app on my phone to scan receipts right away. I categorize everything immediately: fuel, maintenance, meals, supplies. It takes maybe 30 seconds per receipt, but it saves hours of frustration at tax time. Plus, if you ever get audited, you'll have everything organized and ready to go. Remember, every dollar you can deduct is roughly 25–30 cents back in your pocket, depending on your tax bracket. That adds up fast. Last year, I tracked everything meticulously and found an extra $3,000 in deductions I would have missed otherwise. Let me wrap this up with one final piece of advice. If you're not sure whether something is deductible, keep the receipt anyway. It's better to have it and not need it than need it and not have it. And consider working with a tax professional who specializes in trucking. They often know industry-specific deductions that general accountants might miss. Stay safe out there and keep those receipts organized. Your future self will thank you when tax season rolls around.